we present to you the B-900S machine, designed for the production of mag souvenir magnets and rectangular badges. Now we will show you how to assemble a mag souvenir magnet. To produce magnets with the B-900S, you will need appropriate consumables for this machine. Mag souvenir magnets consist of 4 parts: the front part, the back part with the magnet already in place, custom cut paper, and a transparent polyester film. Before starting, let's assemble the handle of the machine by screwing it onto the top part. This is the only part of the B-900S that comes disassembled. The B-900S machine has 2 fixed molds marked with a number. Mold number 1 is for the front part of the magnet, and you will see that there is a number 1 on the blue rotary plate where the mold is mounted. Place the front badge in mold number 1. Place the paper on top of the front part. Take a piece of polyester from the stack. Rub the polyester briefly between 2 fingers to ensure you don't accidentally pick up 2 pieces instead of 1. Place the polyester on top of the paper. Turn the blue base until it stops. Mold number 1 is now correctly positioned under the upper mold. Pull the lever down until it reaches its stop. Do not use excessive force. The front part of the magnet is now ready and will remain in the upper mold. Now, place the back part with the magnet attached in mold number 2. The magnet part will go inside the mold, leaving the black plastic surface of the back part visible. Turn the blue plate until it stops. Mold number 2 is now correctly positioned under the upper mold. Ensure the rotary plate is in full contact with the machine's stop. Hold the base with your hand to ensure the lower mold is right under the upper one. Pull the lever down. Turn the blue base again to place mold number 2 at the front of the machine and retrieve your magnet. Your mag souvenir is now assembled. Now, we will show you how to assemble a pin badge. A rectangular badge consists of 4 parts: a front part, a back part with the pin placed either vertically or horizontally, custom cut special paper, and a transparent polyester film. To assemble a pin badge with the B-900S, we first need to place the metal plate you received with the machine inside mold number 2. There are 2 magnets at the base of this mold that will hold the metal plate in place during production. It is important that the metal plate is well fitted and seated in the designated space at the base of the mold. To start the process, place mold number 1 again at the front of the machine. Place the front badge in mold number 1. Place the paper on top of the front part. Take a piece of polyester from the stack. Make sure there is only one and place it on top of the paper. Turn the blue base until it stops. Mold number 1 is now correctly positioned under the upper mold. Pull the lever down until it reaches its stop. Do not use excessive force. Now, place the back part of the badge in mold number 2 with the pin facing down. Depending on the direction of the needle in the badge, we will produce a vertical or horizontal rectangular badge. Turn the blue base until mold number 2 is right under the upper mold until the machine stop. Holding the base with your hand to ensure the lower mold is right under the upper one, pull the lever down, and your badge is now made. Easy and simple. To guarantee optimal use of your B-900S, we recommend applying silicone that will prevent problems during the assembly of the polyester by facilitating its sliding. Remember that you must use the DS900 silicone molding spray and not other lubricating products. We will apply the silicone in 2 places on the machine, in the closing mold marked with number 2 and in the upper mold marked with number 0. In the introducer, marked with number 1, it is not necessary to apply the product. When applying the product in mold number 2, we recommend first placing a back piece to prevent the silicone from accumulating. Next, spray the 4 corners of the mold with the spray. For the head part, we will reverse the machine so that the application is easier and more effective. We will then spray the product on the vertical walls.